we feel upset and we feel like throwing up. That's called vomiting. But why does this happen? Well, our stomach is like a food storage bag. It keeps the food safe and help us digest it. Sometimes something bad enters the stomach, like spoiled food, too much junk food, or even germs. When this happens, the stomach sends a message to the brain. Help! I need to get this out. Then brain gives the order. Your stomach muscles squeeze tightly. The food and liquid are pushed upward. Your throat and mouth opens wide. Out comes the food. That's vomiting. It might feel yucky, but vomiting is actually a good thing. It's our body ways of protecting us from harmful stuff. After vomiting, drink water, rest a little, tell our parents or doctor if it keeps happening. So remember, vomiting is not just gross, it's your superhero tummy saving you from bad things. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.